Good afternoon guys, so today we've been working on this VW EOS. It came into us with this unit here, which is the RNS510 navigation system, but without digital radio and without a load of other extras. The unit has failed and the customer of ours, a good customer, wants a bit more integration with things like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and built-in navigation and a few bits and pieces like this. So we have installed the Alpine W720D. So it's the iNE-W720D 7-inch system. Looks very much like the iNE-W720D, but this one has TomTom navigation built in, and you've got all the mod cons and extras. So if I just put it on, what we have done is, as per usual when we've got a car like this, Volkswagen, we try and integrate it as much as we can with the vehicle. So for instance, the steering wheel control is retained. The instrument cluster has certain data on here that we can retain as well. We've got factory fitted parking sensors which are retained. We've even got your climate control, which is retained. Now this is quite rare to have a car that's fully loaded with all of these bits and pieces, but to have steering wheel control, volume up and down, you've got voice control, you've got next track, station search, you've got things like your climate control, so you can change your temperature, you can see that changing on the display there. You've even got heated seat control on the left hand side for the passenger and the driver. And I know we've done a few of these, but each particular vehicle video that we do is because we want to show you in a vehicle like this. So if you've got a VW EOS or any of the Volkswagen range that similarly had this dashboard, then we can retain that. Now when we put it into reverse as well, we've even got parking sensors, so rather than just the audible, you've got the display. So if something was behind the car now, the segment display would come up on the back of the vehicle and give you that reassurance. So you've got parking sensors retained, climate control, full climate control up on the screen, steering wheel control, and limited information from the instrument cluster as well. So FM, DAB, Bluetooth streaming, you've got reversing camera capability if you wanted to, you've got vehicle information and data, so you can go in here and see other settings that the vehicle would be able to offer you as well, which you wouldn't have been able to do with the factory fitted one. This has got TomTom navigation built in, 3 years map updates with the inbuilt navigation, and the USB in this one is in the glove box just because that's where the customer wanted it to be. So if I just plug my phone in quickly, I'm just using an iPhone. So just wait for that to load up. Okay, and then we've got Apple CarPlay. So for instance, you've got your Google Maps. So I can go in here, you've got your Google Maps with your Spotify. You've got your, well, it says Spotify, you've got your Google Maps, you've got a whole load of bits and pieces. If you're an Android user, then you'll have all of these features and functions on the display. But again, we've done loads of these. So if you want more in-depth information about Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, check out one of our other videos so that I don't bore you all to death. Another good feature on here is that you've got your phone. So even though you use Bluetooth through the device, if your phone is plugged in, you've got a dedicated phone book and access, plus Siri and other bits and pieces like that. So this is a VW EOS coming to us with the RNS510 navigation fitted from factory. It's failed. Customer wants more for their money. So TomTom or navigation was really important to them. That's why we went for this particular model. It sits in the dash, looks really nice, comes with 2 years warranty if fitted by us, and we retain loads of factory features, which is really cool. This is the iNE-W720D. There's loads of part numbers, loads of model numbers to get confused with, but get in touch with us. If you want a quote, we can talk to you about what is best for your vehicle, what's going to integrate best and look the best in your vehicle. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, like, keep watching the videos. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.